exact answer. So first of all, you pause this video and solve it your hand, and then I can solve it. Okay, so now we solve it, and you check it your answer is right or wrong, and comments it in video. Okay, so 2 power 0, everything power 0, 100 power 0 is equal to 1, and 1000 power 0 is equal to 1. So here 2 power 0 is equal to 1 divided by 1 power 100. So it means 1 power 100. So 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 1, we multiply 1 on 100 times. So here also answer is 1. So 1 divide 1 is 1 answer. If you like this video, this is the right answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.